I don't take breaks, I don't sleep, I just grind every second of my life on the front line. No days off, yeah, I built that mindset. While they hit snooze, I'm chasing every time set. Came from the bottom, had nothing in my pocket now. Aiming at the sky like I'm ready for the rocket. Pain in my past, but it turned into power. I was lost in the dark, now I'm climbing every hour. No days off, I've been locked in a vision. While they talk about dreams, I've been making decisions. No handouts, I earned every strike. Turned struggle to fuel, now I'm living this